You know what is more scary than going out shooting and you realize you forgot your SD card, and that it's going back home and finding out your audio is totally rubbish. Now, one way to combat this is to monitor your audio while you're shooting. Sometimes we use a headphone that's connected to our camera, but sometimes if you're like me and you're shooting one-on-one, this makes it difficult because I have to monitor and then stand here to shoot. The best way to solve this problem is using a wireless monitoring system, which is what I have right here. Introducing the all-new Hollyland LARK Max 2. This is their flagship wireless microphone that comes with an audio monitoring device. It's a little bit trippy, but it's kind of like a hearing aid, so I can live monitoring exactly what I'm hearing. Welcome to late night radio. Oh, just kidding, but this really sounds like ASMR. Whew. And there are a couple of advantages of this. Number one is obviously I can hear exactly what I'm shooting. You can actually find the best ideal position for you to record your audio. So for example, if it's here, then it might be too loud. But if it's down here, then you can't hear anything. So you want to find the optimal place. There's also a couple of other very useful tips that you could use this microphone. I want to show you right now. Because I'm outside and I don't have a teleprompter, I can actually have someone read my script and listening on my headpiece, so then I can know exactly what to say without a teleprompter. Another thing you could do is... 能不能把月饼拿进来?
Oh.
Now, because it comes in pairs, you can have two people wearing the microphone and the headpiece, so you can order somewhere around like a walkie-talkie. But obviously this could be used with a director and a DP on set, but just another way I've been using this at home. Now, you might be asking, what feature does it come with? Well, internal recording, sure. 8 gigabytes, you can use it as a recording pen if you wanted to. 32-bit flow, absolutely. Not only does it record internally 32-bit, it is actually a complete system. Now, unfortunately, not all devices support 32-bit flow, so make sure what you're shooting on is compatible. For example, the iPhone 17 supports 32-bit, and with the support of ProRes RAW on the iPhone 17 Pro, you can get RAW and 32-bit in post. Super flexible. The other feature that they support is AI noise reduction. Not just normal reduction, through tens of thousands of AI computing analysis of big data and environmental sound samples, they were able to quickly minimize the background noise while keeping the original audio from your recording. How does it work? Let's go find out. Okay, so now we're at an intersection with a lot of traffic happening, so I'm going to test the noise reduction just by turning on this button. And what do you think about the audio? Does it still retain my authenticity or the natural feel of my voice? Okay, let's do another test. Noise cancellation off and noise cancellation turned on. Okay, now I am on the longest elevator in China, and let's test the audio within this shopping center. So turn on noise reduction. Let me know what you think of this elevator. Look at this. It's absolutely massive. Okay, now I'm in the shopping center. I'm right in front of a fan. It's absolutely so cold. I'm gonna turn on noise reduction. What do you think? All right, now I'm gonna turn this back. All right, now we're back. This is the arcade in China, and I want you to see what this is like. I'm gonna turn on noise canceling. All right, it is on, and woo! Does it help or not? Let me know in the comments. Okay, now I'm in a restaurant surrounded by people, so let's see how it works. Turn on noise reduction. This is much better. You can actually hear the difference in your earpiece. Damn, that's a lot of sand. Now let's talk design. It comes in two different carrying cases. Both are relatively small. One for your headpiece, one for your microphone. Also comes with an adapter for your phone, so everything is within one charger. I like the fact that there is no big ass logo at the front, unlike some brands who really want you to know they're using their microphones. On the back, you also have a snap-on clip. Very intuitive, easy on the collar, no stress whatsoever due to the lightweight. Hairpiece design, it's also adjustable, so you can fit all sizes of the ears, and don't worry about falling off because I've been wearing this for the whole day and it's absolutely not a problem. Quite comfortable actually. And best of all, if you're a Sony user like myself, it comes with an adapter which then basically connects your receiver onto the hot shoe mount, making it completely wireless. Just so much cleaner and hassle-free when you're going out and shoot. All devices are connected in factory, so once you receive it, all you have to do is turn it on and you're good to go. The monitoring range from the headpiece is 100 meters and the transmission range from the microphone and the receiver is up to 300 meters. So you can record from here, and here, and here, and here, woo, and here, and even all the way back from here. Well, check this out. That's not a Rolls-Royce. This is just the China-made EV and basically 1/3 of the price, and it's basically nuclear proof. So, what is your favorite microphone? For me, it's internal recording, 32-bit float, long lasting. Also, it has the benefit of actually using the wireless shoot on my Sony cameras. That's even better. And the LARK Max 2 does all of that, plus more. Maybe that'll be my personal microphone from now on. Now, if you want to see an in-depth review of this microphone compared to the DJI as well as the Rode, let me know, and I'm happy to do a review for you. Until then, I'm going to enjoy my $40 coffee, and I'll see you next one. Cheers! I have not turned this off for the whole day. After a whole day is running, I have 40% left on the receiver and 26% on the transmitter.